Isn't it just like life? We sometimes live as though the world is honking behind us, telling us to move faster, do more, change who we are, and in fear of being a burden, we shrink back, slow down, or step aside. We adjust to their pace instead of keeping our own. But here's the lesson the road whispered to me on that day. You have your lane, you have your journey, you have your pace. And just like traffic, life has its rhythm. Some will pass, some will follow, but you must keep moving forward.